Y'all, I'm gonna show y'all some of my house. Let's get it. Alright, so basically, this is my, or I go to the bathroom. Basically, I gotta use the bathroom right now, so be right back. And by the way, if y'all like and comment, we will do a age reveal. Y'all see, I lost my tooth. Alright, we will do an age reveal. Check out that post and then subscribe. Alright, man. I'm gonna just go back in my room probably. Like, play a couple games, watch some YouTube, then go to sleep. So, peace out, y'all. Have a nice day. Hey, one more mewing face for y'all. Just because I'm that guy and I'm him. Alright, peace out, chat.